Welcome students. Now we are going to learn sp3 hybridization. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration in ground state is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. In excited state, one electron from 2s atomic orbit migrates towards 2p atomic orbit. After migration, the electronic configuration becomes 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. There are 4 unpaired electrons in outermost orbit, but these 4 unpaired electrons are not present in same type of atomic orbitals. One electron is present in s atomic orbital and other 3 are present in p atomic orbitals. These orbitals have different energy and different shapes. In sp3 hybridization, there is mixing of 1s and 3p atomic orbitals takes place, and after mixing 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed. Number of atomic orbitals mixed are equal to 4 and number of hybrid orbitals formed are also equal to 4. Remember that in sp3 hybridization there is mixing of 1s and 3p atomic orbitals takes place, and after mixing 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed which involve in the bonding. sp3 hybridized carbon, look here, this is sp3 hybridized carbon. sp3 hybridized carbon have 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. In previous lecture, we see the shape of the hybrid orbital. One lobe is bigger and another lobe is smaller. The smaller lobe is not shown in the figure. These are the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals containing single electron. To minimize electronic repulsion, these hybrid orbitals orient tetrahedrally in space, having the angle 109.28 minutes, and sp3 hybrid orbitals always forms sigma bond with other atoms. Formation of methane molecule. In methane molecule, the carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state. Carbon have 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Carbon have 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals containing single electron. That sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon axially overlap with s atomic orbital of hydrogen, and there are 4 hydrogen atoms and 4 CH bonds are formed. There is a overlapping between sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon and s atomic orbital of hydrogen, and likewise 4 sigma bonds, 4 CH bonds are formed. And as we know that to minimize electronic repulsion, these hybrid orbitals orient in space tetrahedrally. Therefore, the shape of the methane molecule is tetrahedral having bond angle 109.28. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109.28. And how bond is formed? The bond is formed by axial overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon and s atomic orbital of hydrogen. That is the formation of methane. Similarly, in case of saturated compounds which contains carbon single bond carbon, in that case also carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state and carbon single bond carbon is formed by axial overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbitals of 2 carbon atoms. Remember that in case of carbon single bond carbon, both carbon atoms are in sp3 hybridization state and the bond is formed by axial overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbitals. that is in case of formation of methane molecule and sp3 hybridization. Thank you.